Hey guys, I hope you're all having an awesome day today. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm base box for the month of March right here. This little box costs $25 a month. You get 5 full-size beauty products and you're promised a value of at least $125. So if you want to see what I got in my little box, then definitely keep on watching. Okay guys, so I've already unboxed my Boxy Luxe and my Boxy Premium for this month. I actually made a separate account a few months ago just to be able to receive my base box too, because every time that Boxy Luxe came around, I always felt FOMO, major FOMO with the base box, because I feel like whenever it's a Luxe month, the base box is just a lot better. So I think without even unboxing this, I feel like this month's base box had better products in general than the Luxe box. But I want to see if my base box is better than the Luxe. I'm going to compare, basically, you know what I mean. But I'm just glad that I was able to get it, because I know I haven't seen what's in mine actually, because I waited to reactivate my second account on the 1st of March, so I wasn't able to choose any of the products. So I actually don't know what's inside for once, which I always really know what I'm going to get, but I don't know what's in this box. But let's go see what's in it, and then I'm going to decide if I think this is better than the Luxe. Okay guys, so this month's theme for Boxycharm is Boxy Lucky, which I think is perfect because St. Patrick's Day is this month. And the first thing that I have in my box is the Lime Crime Venus 3 eyeshadow palette. Here it says, this palette is filled with rapturous lilac, rose gold, mauve, and earthly brown shades. The ultra buttery formula sweeps on richly pigmented color that doesn't fade or fall out. The dreamy lavender and rose gold box is graced with Venus herself, and it retails for $38. Now, when I saw that this was going to be in this month's base box, I really wanted it just because the color story, I just really liked it. And now that I see it in person, I like it even more before I show you the color story, just because the packaging is so small. Yeah, it does feel a little bulky, but it's a small palette. I just really enjoy small palettes. You get a really nice mirror, which I really appreciate. And that's what the palette looks like. And I just think it's so pretty. You have some purple, some pink, some neutral colors. You have a total of 8 shadows in here. And I don't know, this is just a really pretty palette, and I wanted to have it in my collection, and I'm glad that I do. Now, the palette that we got in Boxy Luxe is the Barbarella palette. It's a brand new palette. I do have a tutorial for that palette. I think I filmed it a few days ago. If you guys got your Luxe boxes and you want to have an idea of how to create looks with that palette, I feel like it's hit or miss. I have an in-depth review in case you guys want to watch that, but I feel like it was very inconsistent. There's like 2 different formulas of shimmers. One of the formulas is very creamy, the other one is just not as creamy, but it's more like a glitter. But the mattes are beautiful and they perform amazing, but you only have, I think it was 4 mattes I think in the palette. So overall, like, the mattes, if they would have had more mattes, I think the palette would have been a hit and they would have had more variety of colors. But maybe you don't even care about that because this is the base box. But I talk way too much. If you guys want to see a review and tutorial of the Barbarella palette, I'll link it down below in the description. But as far as the base box palette this month, the Lime Crime Venus 3 palette, I really love it and I'm excited to have this in my collection. Really pretty colors in it. The next item in my box, I'm so excited that I got, because I was really bummed out when I couldn't choose a product for my base box, because this is one thing I wanted, and it is the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. It says here that a soothing lightweight moisturizer that seals in lasting hydration without clogging pores. It's non-comedogenic and non-acnogenic, making it especially good for sensitive skin. Blended with banana, chia seed, magnesium, turmeric, and cica, it's your recipe for hydrated, healthy looking skin, and it retails for $39. I have extremely dry skin, like I always repeat, and I just really, anything like really moisturizing, I'm really down to try. So let's take a look. The packaging is so pretty. It looks so, I don't know, just expensive. Let me see. I wonder if this smells like banana. Oh my god, it smells like banana. It smells like banana pudding. Let me put a little bit on my hand. That's what it looks like. It does feel very moisturizing. See, my hands are so dry, they needed that. Let me kind of blend it into my hands. My hand is so dry and it's making it nice and moisturized. So I do feel like I'm gonna love that already. And it smells like banana, but I feel like the smell dissipates, which I appreciate. I don't like my products to be super fragranced. So it's the light scent. But I do enjoy that, and I'm so glad that I got this in my box. The next product in my box is the Marvin Beauty Marvin Rose Water Setting Spray. Set your intentions and your makeup with this aura-lifting, antioxidant-packed rose water setting spray. Mist all over your finished look to lock it down and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. And it retails for $22, and it is a new launch. I haven't heard much about this brand, and I don't really, I guess, collect setting sprays. I have a few. And I don't use it as much, especially now that everything going on around the world. I don't go out as often. So when I do my makeup, I don't know, I just feel like I haven't been using setting spray. My makeup has been lasting. So let me try to see if it smells. Okay, so it doesn't smell bad. I don't know if it smells good. It doesn't smell bad. Let me see. Not really a scent, a very light scent. So I don't mind it. I might try it out. I don't know why. Like, I used to use setting sprays before. For some reason, it's been months that I've used a setting spray and I just haven't needed it. But it might come in handy when it's the summertime and it's really hot outside and I get sweaty. So I don't mind getting that. That was my third product in my box. The next product in my box is the Cap Cosmetics Hydrating Lip Oil. Say goodbye to dry and thirsty and hello to juicy hydrated lips. Your lips will love this non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. Swipe this formula on for comfortable, juicy lips all day long, and it retails for $20. I don't usually like lip oils, but this might be nice. Ooh, I love the color. I know I saw like a blue one. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna be tinted. Oh my god, that smells so good. Let me just put it on my hand. Super glossy. See? Like glossy, I guess it's, yeah, it is glossy. Well, they say it's not sticky, but it just feels, I guess, hydrating, but it is a little bit sticky. I don't know if that's sticky. I just know it smells good. It smells really good, and I don't know, the packaging just is really pretty to me. I do like it, and I like it. It's not like a lip oil. It looks like a gloss, but I guess it might be more hydrating than your typical gloss, which I appreciate because I have dry lips every now and then. So that was my fourth product, and I do like it. The last product in my box is a $1 Billion Brows Clear Brow Gel. This flake-free formula sets in seconds with a gentle hold to keep your eyebrows in place and on point, and it retails for $18. I have a few of the sponges from this brand, like makeup sponges, and I like them. I'm not gonna open it. I always open things and then I regret it because I don't want it to go bad. I don't need any new brow gel right now. I actually just got a new brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills in my Ipsy Glam Back Plus. So, and I have some old brow gels that still have product in it. But this is what it looks like. I said it retails for $18. So I'm going to keep it in my collection, and maybe I'll get some use once I run out of the ones that I have opened right now. And I do have another product in my box with Boxycharm. When you like put your account on hold, they try to get you back. And I think this month, whoever was reactivating their accounts got to choose a palette, and I was so excited. I didn't expect that. So I got, this is going to be in a future giveaway, so stay tuned for that. This is the Violet Voss I Love You Forever palette. I already own this palette. I actually have 2 tutorials on this palette, so if you own it, go check out those tutorials. I did a look using most of the, I'm going to show you the palette. Most of the greens in the palette, and then I did a second look, like a more neutral, toned down look. I absolutely adore this palette. Let me show you. I'm not going to touch it. I'm just showing you because I'm going to give it away in a giveaway. Such a beautiful palette. So they gave me the option of choosing a second palette just to reactivate my account. So I chose this one to give it in a future giveaway to one of you guys because I own it and I just really love it, and I think one of you should have it too. And in case you don't know, I do have a very exciting giveaway going on at the moment. It's open until March 24th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, year 2021. In case anyone in the future is watching this, I'm giving away some really nice makeup. So if you want to check that out, I'll have a link down below and anyone can enter. But I think that's going to be the end of today's video. I really enjoyed this month's base box, and I'm so glad that I reactivated my second account to be able to get it. Stay on the lookout for more tutorials. Maybe I'll do a tutorial with this one soon. I'm not sure. I mean, this one I feel like you don't have a lot of variety in this palette, but I enjoy makeup, so I might do it anyway. But I'll have linked down below my unboxings for this month if you guys haven't checked them out yet, as well as the Barbarella palette tutorial and all the Violet Voss tutorials in case you guys want to check that out. And again, go check out the giveaway. And I forgot to mention, this month's box, I calculated it was worth $137 and I paid $25 for it, so I definitely think that it was worth it. And also, overall, I do like some of the products in my Luxe box, but I think this one was an amazing box. And if you can't afford both, I think the base box is better if you cannot afford both, because I just don't see as much variety lately in the Luxe boxes. I do like them, but I don't feel like you need it. You know what I mean? So overall, this box was amazing in my opinion. If I'm comparing $25 versus $50 and the products inside, I believe the base box won. But I do enjoy my Luxe. I do love the items in my Luxe box this month, but I think base is better value. But again, that's going to be the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys. Mwah.